Mediterranean warmth in a modern coastal villa. 10 design ideas. The rise of modern Mediterranean coastal architecture. In 2026, coastal architecture is moving away from stark white nautical themes toward a grounded, earth-centric Mediterranean aesthetic. This design philosophy marries traditional Southern European stonework with ultra-clean modern geometry. By utilizing textured limestone cladding, softly curved interior archways, and warm off-white plaster, modern coastal villas achieve an effortless balance between structural permanence and breezy seaside relaxation. Organic textures and materiality. Achieving authentic Mediterranean warmth relies on rich, imperfect material layering. Smooth microcement floors and soft sand tones extend continuously across the living spaces, while rough-hewn travertine feature walls capture the changing ocean light. Instead of cold synthetic finishes, rich teakwood joinery, hand-applied lime wash plaster, and muted terracotta accents form a calm, tactile palette that ages gracefully against salty coastal breezes. Framed coastal vistas and pocketing glass. Framing panoramic water views while maintaining thermal comfort is central to modern coastal planning. Expansive floor-to-ceiling glass pocket doors slide completely into thick stone piers, merging the main indoor hall with deep shaded outdoor porticos. Softly arched window openings strategically cut through heavy exterior walls act as natural picture frames, highlighting ocean horizons and surrounding coastal vegetation. Soft ambient illumination and coastal lighting. When night falls over the coast, the villa shifts into an intimate, warm sanctuary. High-end Mediterranean designs eliminate harsh direct ceiling lights in favor of indirect warm LED channels recessed into ceiling coves and wall niches. Low-glare uplighting grazes hand-finished plaster surfaces and exposed timber beams, creating a subtle, cocoon-like ambience tailored for unhurried evening living. Seamless outdoor courtyards and resort wellness. The outdoor sanctuary functions as the heart of the residence, centered around a seamless infinity-edge pool lined with natural beige stone. Sunken outdoor lounges with built-in plaster seating and fire features sit level with the water's edge, creating an immersive alfresco entertainment space. Combined with minimalist open-air shower suites and private courtyard gardens, this model defines the pinnacle of luxury coastal living.